Today we're looking at this DeepCool Mystique cooler. It's got an LCD screen, and on top of that it actually performs pretty well. The Mystique is engineered for demanding systems. Our model features a robust 360mm radiator paired with a triple fan setup, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Compatible with the latest Intel LGA 1700 and 1851, as well as AMD's AM5. It supports a wide range of modern CPUs. One standout feature is the customizable 2.8-inch LCD screen that's on the CPU block. This display allows you to showcase system stats, custom images or animations, adding a personal touch to your rig. The cooler arrives in a brown box with a white sleeve showcasing the cooler's image front and center. Specifications are listed on the back, though the light grey font on a white background can be a bit hard to read. Inside, the cooler is securely packaged in foam. The fans come pre-attached to the radiator, and you'll find all the necessary fittings for AMD's AM4, AM5 and Intel socket 1150X, 1200, 1700 and the new 1851. You also get two pieces of documentation. The radiator sports a sleek all-black design with a subtle DeepCool logo in one corner. It features a dense fin stack for optimal heat dissipation. The tubing is nicely braided, kept together with removable Velcro strips for easy tube management. An innovative feature is the anti-leak technology. An internal valve regulates the internal pressure, purging it if it gets too high, which reduces the risk of leaks. The CPU block has a cube shape with a 2.8-inch screen. While the DeepCool logo on the top is fixed, the display can be rotated via software or set to adjust automatically, allowing you flexibility in mounting orientation. Just below the screen there's an RGB lit lip that can sync with your system's RGB or set for temperature alerts, illuminating the surrounding area. The base features a large copper plate with pre-applied thermal paste. Inside, a 5th generation pump operates at a swift 3,400 RPM, ensuring efficient cooling without extensive noise. Included are 3 FT12 SE fans capable of spinning up to 2,150 RPM, moving over 72 cubic feet of air per minute. They utilise fluid dynamic bearings which enhance lifespan and reduce operational noise. Installation of the Mystique is straightforward. For Intel systems, attach the backplate to the motherboard using the standoffs provided, mount the brackets onto the CPU block, place it onto your CPU and secure it with thumb screws, then connect any necessary cables. The included software offers extensive customization options. You can monitor temperatures in real time with graphical displays. You can upload images or even GIFs or GIFs depending on your pronunciation to the actual screen. You can even set up slideshows for static images. However, it would be great if the software allowed slideshows with GIFs or cycling through multiple monitoring stats automatically. So down to testing, most of the information you need is on the screen in front of you, but in basics we use a climate controlled room which is also soundproof. The temperature in the room is 21.5 degrees Celsius. Also, all the components we use are exactly the same for every single test, and we're disconnected from the internet to make sure that nothing can interfere with the testing in the background. In this first test, we are checking the average temperature of the CPU while the fans are running at 50% speed. And as you can see here, the DeepCool Mystique 360 comes in joint first place with the Arctic Liquid Freezer Free 360. In this next test, we're basically doing the same thing again, but this time we're checking the maximum temperature instead of the average temperature, and here you can see it gets up to 86 degrees, which is slightly behind the Arctic Liquid Freezer Free at 85 degrees. In this test, we're now setting the fans to 100% speed. We're checking the average temperature first, and here we got 71 degrees with the Mystique, which was roughly mid-table compared to the others. On this test, we're checking the maximum temperature while the fans are running at 100% speed. It didn't perform as well as on the average test or even the 50% speed test, but it still performs pretty well and is still capable of cooling down a top-end i9 processor. Where things do fall behind is actually the noise levels, and it's mainly from the fans. Here it comes in at 42 decibels while the fans are running at 50% speed. And on this last test, we're checking the decibel levels while the fan's running at 100% speed, and here it came in at 53 decibels, which does actually make it one of the louder coolers we've actually tested up to now. The DeepCool Mystique 360 liquid cooler is an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier cooling performance combined with customizable aesthetics. Its robust construction, efficient cooling capabilities, and eye-catching features make it a valuable addition to any high-performance build. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a PC enthusiast, this cooler delivers on all fronts. Introducing Gamers Beat Cancer, the UK charity using the power of gaming via the gift of gaming to bring hope and support to cancer fighters everywhere. They provide gaming equipment, build supportive communities, and raise funds for vital cancer charities. Join us in levelling up against cancer. Donate, volunteer, or spread the word today. Visit gamersbeatcancer.co.uk and let's have more game on, not game over. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.